Dear students, very good morning. Let us see another problem on isometric projections. Before that, those who are watching my video first time, please subscribe, like my video and share it to your friends. Let us start today's problem. The problem is hemisphere of 40 mm diameter is supported coaxially on the vertex of a cone of base diameter 60 mm and axis length 50 mm. The flat circular face of the hemisphere is facing upside. Draw the isometric projection of the combination of solids. In this problem is given two solids. They are, first one is hemisphere and second one is cone. First we need to construct the cone of base diameter 60 and axis length 50 mm. Then let us construct the hemisphere and place the hemisphere on the apex of the cone in such a way that the circular face, flat circular face of the hemisphere is facing upside. That is a condition. Let's see how to construct the cone and how to construct the hemisphere. Let us construct both or separately and place one above another as per the given condition. I'll go to line, choose the line. So cone base diameter is 60. Let's construct 60 by 60 a square. Length is 60, angle is 30 degree. Length is 60, angle is 150 degree. Length is 60, angle is minus 150 degree. Length is 60, angle is minus 30 degree. Okay. Now I will join this and this corners. Then this corner and opposite this midpoint I am joining like this. This corner and midpoint of this line is showing midpoint symbol. I am joining like this. Now I'll go to arc by center, choose thicker line, pick this the center for the axis, center for the arc, this is the radius, and let's construct an arc like this. Similarly, pick this the center, midpoint of this line is the radius, and let's construct the arc like this till this midpoint of this line. Next, pick this the center, this is the radius, you construct the arc like this. Similarly, pick this the center, this is the radius, and construct the arc till this point, midpoint of this line. Okay, now the height is given for the cone axis length is 50 mm. From this midpoint, draw a vertical line of length 50 and should be 90 degree line. Okay, now let's join this apex and tangent to this. Similarly, the apex point and tangent to this ellipse, tangent line. You should draw the tangent line. Now let's trim the hidden edges. Hidden edges means the edges which are not visible to end user, which are not visible to observer. That is the hidden edges. This is not visible, this is not visible. Let's trim like this. This is a cone. Okay. Next, I want to construct the hemisphere separately, and hemisphere diameter is 40 mm is given. Therefore radius become 20 mm. Let's construct a 20 mm vertical line from this apex. This is a start point. Let's construct a line, vertical line of length 40 by 2, that is 20. Should be 90 degree line. Okay. Now let's construct the hemisphere separately. Diameter is 40 mm is given. So I'll go to line. Let's construct 40 by 40 square. 40, angle is 30, length is 40, angle is 150, length is 40, angle is minus 150, length is 40, angle is minus 30 degree. Okay, now let us zoom this area. I'll go to line. I'm joining this and these two corners. Let's join like this end corner and this midpoint of this line. Let's join like this. This corner, midpoint of this line. I am joining like this. Okay, I'll go to arc base center next step and select picker line. Pick this is the center. This midpoint of this line is the radius, and let's construct the arc like this. Okay, similarly pick this is the center. This midpoint is the radius. Let's construct another arc like this. Similarly, this is the center, this is the radius line. Let's construct the arc till the midpoint of this line. This is the center, this is the radius. Let's construct an arc till midpoint of this line. Last step is, this is the center. Pick the center of this or midpoint. This is the radius. Let's construct an arc till this point. Okay, next we need to place it here. I'll go to move command. Let's switch off copy, select this, pick the midpoint of this. Let's place it exactly at the end point of this radius line. Okay, next step is trim the hidden edges. Let's trim all hidden edges. I'll zoom this. Let's zoom this area and go to trim command. Let's trim it. This is not visible. This is not visible. Fit the sheet. Next step is convert into isometric scale. Select the complete sketch. Go to scale. Copy should be off. Scale factor is 0.8164 to convert from true length into isometric length. We need to use scale factor is 0.8164. Then press enter from your keyboard and click anywhere on the screen. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks a lot.